Hi all, thank you for joining today's live. Let's wait for a few more minutes and we can start the show. Nitya Manoj ma'am, Nita Manoj ma'am, hi. Mamata ma'am, hi. Yeah, Pushpa ma'am, Dr. Pushpa ma'am, hi. Mamata ma'am, good evening. Ashima ma'am, hi. Hello all, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. First of all, thank you all for joining today's live. In today's live, we'll be showing you salwar materials ranging from 1090 to 1600. If you like to book any of the item, you can directly log on to our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com or www.shriya.shop. Or else you can take a screenshot of the item and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Let's start the show now. The first item is the item which I am wearing now. It's a pure Georgette top with all over embroideries. It has paired with a Georgette dupatta with full embroideries on it. Yeah, this is the first item. It's a full Georgette set paired with a Georgette dupatta and a cotton bottom. Same color cotton bottom and the same color Georgette dupatta. The dupatta has a full embroideries. You could see it, and the top also has a full embroideries. We have got colors in this. It's a nice pista green color paired with the green color Georgette dupatta and a pink color. Nice baby pink color. And a pure white color. We have got total 4 colors in this. The one is what I am wearing, and pista green, baby pink and white. The price of the set is 1125. Let's move on to the next item now. This is the second item. It's a jute cotton fabric. The full mirror works. Full mirror works, and it's paired with an organza dupatta. With a full embroidered organza dupatta. It's a nice dark grey color top with embroidered motifs. The price of the set is 1400. We have got colors in this. It's paired with the same color cotton bottom. This is the bottom, cotton bottom. We have got total 4 colors in this. It's a nice brown color. Brown color with the same color organza dupatta with the dark contrast color embroidered motifs. This is how the set looks. It has a full complete mirror works. It's not a foil mirror work, it's the original mirror works. The price of the set is 1400. This is the next color. It's a kind of a teal blue. is the next color. The dark pink color embroidered motifs and the same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1400. And this is the last color. It's a kind of a brick red. The blue color embroidered motifs. This is how the set looks. A beautiful brick red with the blue color embroidered motifs. The price of the set is 1400. You can directly log on to our website and you can place your orders, or else you can take a screenshot of the item, but you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. This is the next set. It's again a jute cotton fabric. The full thread embroidered works on the yoke part. This is how the top looks. It's paired with a soft cotton dupatta with full embroidered works. Beautiful color, light peach with a beige combination. This is how the set looks. The price of the set is 1390. We have also got colors in this. The top color will be same, just the dupatta color varies. This is the next color. A nice blue. A nice blue color set. The bottom will be of contrast color. Dupatta color will be the bottom. Dupatta has a full embroidered works. The price of the set is 1390. It has a full mirror works, thread embroidered works. This is the next combination, beige with the mustard yellow combination. This is the next combination, light mustard yellow with the beige color top. The price of the set is 1390. You can take a screenshot of it now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794, or else you can log on to our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com. We have given the website link in the description, so kindly please do check it. We do deliver all over India with a free of cost. This is the next color, a beautiful pink color. Beautiful pink this is. The top is jute cotton, the dupatta is a soft cotton, the bottom is also cotton. This is how the set looks. The price of the set is 1390. Let's move on to the next set now. This is the next set. It's a fully digital printed silk cotton set. This set comes with the lining, same color lining, cotton lining. It's paired with the printed chiffon dupatta. This is the dupatta. Chiffon dupatta and the same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1090. Deepa Singh ma'am, hi. Vijaya Reddy ma'am, hi. We have also got colors in this. All these are dark color combination. It's again a kind of dark bottle green. Dark bottle green. Bottle green with pink color combination. Printed chiffon dupatta and a cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1090. This set comes with the lining too. This is the next combination, a dark navy blue color with a chiffon dupatta. These items are already uploaded on our website, so you can directly log on to our website and place your orders. This is the next set, a navy blue with a dark pink color combination. The price of the set is 1090. This is the last combination. This is again a dark bottle green with orange color. nice dark bottle green with orange color combination. This is priced at 1090. Sivajyoti ma'am, thank you. This is the next set. It's a single piece set. This is again a digital printed set in a silk cotton fabric. These prints will be very trendy. This is the set. It has a thread embroidered work also. This is how the set looks. It's also paired with the chiffon dupatta. This is the dupatta. And the same color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1190. The top fabric is silk cotton and dupatta is a chiffon dupatta. It's a single color item this is, and this is the next print we have got in that. This is a very elegant item, a kind of an orange with yellow color combination. The top has a triangle pattern all over the top. And also has a bead work too. I hope you could see the bead work. And it's paired with a mustard yellow color dupatta, chiffon dupatta, and a cotton bottom. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1190. Kavita Suresh Kumar ma'am, we don't have a shop, we do only online sales. We have a website, we have given the website link in the description. Safia ma'am, is my video is not clear? This is the next print. It's a kind of an again a mustard yellow with all over floral prints. It's paired with a dark peach color chiffon dupatta and a cotton bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1190. You can take a screenshot of it now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Let's move on to the next item. This is a semi-tussar top with full thread embroidered works on the yoke. It's a kind of a pale green with peach color thread embroidered works. It's paired with an organza dupatta, fully embroidered organza dupatta this is. And a contrast color bottom, cotton bottom. Very comfortable and a pretty item this is. The price of the set is 1265. We have got colors in this. This is the next color. It's a kind of an orange, light orange with the black color thread embroidered works. This is the dupatta, very lengthy organza dupatta, fully embroidered organza dupatta this is. Pretty combination. And a contrast cotton bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1265. This is one of the super hit combination, grey with pink combination. The pink and grey combination is nowadays a very hit combination actually. Paired with a pink color organza dupatta. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1265. This is the last combination. It's a kind of an onion pink. It's an onion pink. I hope you could see the embroidered works. An onion pink. Is my video not clear? Can anyone reply please? The dark grey color organza dupatta and a cotton bottom. Is my video and audio clear? Can anyone reply please? Yeah, okay ma'am, okay, yeah. The price of the set is 1265. Let's move on to the next item. It's a pure cotton set. It's a kind of a dark grape color. Dark grape color with a yoke pattern work. Yeah, Shanmugapuram, okay ma'am, yeah. And it's paired with a soft cotton dupatta, a very lengthy soft cotton dupatta. It's a pure cotton fabric actually. And a contrast cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1090. We have got same color but the pattern varies in this. It's a pure cotton top with a cotton bottom and a cotton dupatta. So this is the next pattern. We have got 4 patterns in this actually. So 4 different patterns, but the top and the dupatta color will be same, just the pattern varies. The price of this will be 1090, free shipping. We do deliver all over India with the free of cost. So let's move on to the next item. It's a kota fabric. Kota top. It's a kind of an onion pink with a full embroidered work on the yoke part. It's a kota top with an organza dupatta, very pretty worked organza dupatta this is. The color will also be very nice. And the same color cotton bottom. The price of this set is 1125. Very pretty and an elegant item this is. We have got colors in this too. All these are already uploaded in our website, so you can directly log on to our website and you can place the orders. Meenakshi ma'am, we don't have a COD option. We have only prepaid orders. We have various payment methods, so you can log into our website and you can check it ma'am. This is the next color. It's a kind of a light greenish grey kind of type. It's a pastel green with a organza dupatta. The dupatta has a full embroidered work. The price of this is 1125. This is the next color. It's a grey with pink combination again. Grey with pink. The same color cotton bottom. Meenakshi ma'am, is my video not clear? Oh. The price of this is 1125. And we have a last color in this, a pink with grey combination. Beautiful pink, this is pink with grey combination and the same color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1125. Oh, again my video is not clear. Oh. Let me wait for a few more minutes. Please comment once my video is clear. I don't know what happened today. Yeah, is it clear now? Yeah, okay ma'am. Mubina ma'am. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this the price of the set is 1125. Let's move on to the next item. This is a pure chanderi fabric. Pure chanderi fabric with the mild printed works all over the top, and it also has a mirror work on the yoke part. It's a bright red. The beautifully printed dupatta. The dupatta has an ikat pattern prints. This is how it looks. It's a very lengthy dupatta. The price of the set is 1590. It's a very beautiful set. The same color cotton bottom. It comes with the same color cotton bottom. The price of this is 1590. We have got another color in this, a kind of a mustard yellow. And a printed Chanderi printed dupatta. This is the dupatta and the same color cotton bottom. The price of this is 1590. A neat and a grand dress this is. Yeah, let's move on to the next item. This is a semi-tussar top with a simple yoke part. Simple yoke part. It's paired with a very beautiful dupatta. Dupatta is the highlight in this set. A fully embroidered organza dupatta with a cut works. Yeah, this is how it looks. A beautiful color this is, and the same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1490. We have got colors in this. This is the next color. It's a kind of a peach color with a very elegant work. Simple and an elegant work this is. And a cut worked organza dupatta. Fully embroidered organza dupatta this is. In the same color cotton bottom. The price of this is 1490. I hope you could see the embroidered work. This is the next color. Beautiful baby pink. Very pretty color this is. Beautiful baby pink. The same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1490. People like to book the item, you can directly log on to our website and place your orders, or else you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. This is the last combination. It's a grey color, light grey. Not grey, it's actually silver color I think. This is the dupatta and a cotton bottom. The price of this is 1490. This is the next set. It's again a same type but just the yoke pattern varies. This is how the yoke part looks. A full sugar embroidered work on the yoke part. It's paired with the same organza dupatta with the cut works on the side parts alone. And a contrast, same color cotton bottom. The price of this is 1490. It's a light silver color. This is the next combination, light peach. All these are very suitable for party wears. Give me a thumbs up if you like these items. This is the next color, the light peach color. The same color cotton bottom. We have got two more combination in this, light blue and a light baby pink. Light baby pink. Yeah, let's move on to the next item now. It's again a pink color, semi-tussar top. The same color cotton bottom. It has a full thread work on the yoke part and an embroidered organza dupatta. The price of this is 1290. Sajini ma'am, hi. Thank you for joining the live. The next combination, it's a grey color. It's a grey with a cotton bottom, same color cotton bottom. The fully embroidered organza dupatta. The price of this is 1290. This is the third combination. It has a full yoke work and the full embroidered work on the dupatta also. The price of this is 1290. This is the last color in this set. It's a nice green color, light green color. It comes with the same color cotton bottom. The price of this is 1290. Let's move on to the next item. It's a pure cotton set. It's a pure cotton dupatta under cotton bottom. It's a simple office wear type. This is how the set looks. It has a different print on the bottom part. And this is the bottom, contrast bottom. Nice blue and red combination, and it's paired with a printed cotton dupatta. A soft cotton dupatta this is. A very lengthy dupatta. The price of this is 1090. The fabric is very soft and comfortable fabric this is. This is the next color. Red and black combination. And this is the bottom. This is the top. The top has an embroidered work. Different print work. And a printed cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta. It's very comfortable for office wears. The price of this is 1090. This is the last combination. It's again a black and red. The top is black and the bottom is red. This is the bottom, red color bottom, and this is the top. A fully printed cotton bottom, a lengthy dupatta also too. This is how it looks. The price of this is 1090. All these pictures will be uploaded in the website already, so you can directly log on to our website and you can start placing your orders. This is the next set. This is again a semi-tussar fabric with a full embroidered work on the yoke part and a very pretty fully embroidered organza dupatta this is. Organzas are in trend now, so as many requested, we have got organza this time. And the same color bottom. The price of this is 1450. A beautiful color this is. Kind of an onion pink. This is the next color. Pale green color. It's paired with an organza dupatta. Fully embroidered organza dupatta. The same color bottom. The price of this is 1450. This is again a beautiful combination, a dark lavender color. This will be everyone's favorite, I think. A beautiful color mixed paired with the same color bottom. The price of this is 1450. This is the last color in this set. It's a dark grey. All these comes with the same color bottom. This is the dupatta. The price of this is 1450. So this is the last set now. It's a soft silk fabric. Very elegant item this is, I would say. It's a simple yoke pattern. The top fabric is semi silk. It's paired with a fully embroidered dupatta, organza dupatta. A very lengthy dupatta also this is. And the same color cotton bottom. The price of this is 1490. We have got 5 colors in this. The next is very beautiful yellow. A nice yellow this is. It has a beautiful work. I hope you could see this. A beautiful color. Nice yellow. With this same color organza dupatta. And the same color cotton bottom. The price of this is 1490. And this is again a nice combination, a kind of a chocolate brown. Chocolate brown. This is how it looks. A very beautiful color also this is. The price of this is 1490. And this is also a very beautiful color, a kind of blue, teal blue. The fabric is semi silk, so it will be like georgette only. This is the dupatta and this is the bottom. Same color cotton bottom. The price of this is 1490. You can log on to our website and start placing your orders. All these are already uploaded in our website. This is the last set in half white. And this is the fully embroidered organza dupatta. This is the dupatta. And the same color cotton bottom. The price of this is 1490. If you like to book Sai Charita ma'am, thank you ma'am. Yalini ma'am, thank you. Pravina ma'am, thank you. The price of this is 1490. So if you like to book any of the item, you can directly log on to our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com or www.shriya.shop. Or else you can take a screenshot of the item and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. If you have any queries, you can directly WhatsApp us or you can even call us at our number. We have given the number and our website link in the description. So kindly do check it. Thank you all for joining today's live. So we'll be coming live on next Friday. Yeah, many of you are asking the item which I am wearing. It's a georgette set with a fully embroidered works. It's already uploaded in our website. We have also got colors in this. We have got 4 colors: pink, pista green and white, and this one. We have got 4 colors in this. So thank you all for joining today's live. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.